In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use AI to auto-reply to new Google reviews in GoHighLevel. By the end, you'll have automatic on-brand replies going out to new reviews without lifting a finger. Before we begin, a quick note. Make sure you're logged into the correct location in GoHighLevel and that your Google reviews are already connected. This feature is designed to respond to reviews that flow into your reputation area. Start on your GoHighLevel dashboard and head to the Reputation section in the left-hand menu. This is your home base for everything related to reviews, collecting them, monitoring sentiment, and configuring how responses get handled. Opening Reputation first ensures the next settings you change are tied directly to your reviews workflow. Inside Reputation, open the Settings tab. Think of this as the control room where you can fine-tune how the system manages reviews. We're going here because the AI reply tool lives within the review settings, and this is where activation happens. Next, click on Reviews AI. This is the dedicated area for enabling automatic replies powered by artificial intelligence. Reviews AI is built to generate context-aware responses that match your brand's tone, acknowledge the reviewer's message, and keep your public profile active and professional, especially helpful when reviews come in after hours. Now select Create Starter Agents. With this action, GoHighLevel will generate pre-configured AI agents tailored for typical review scenarios. The goal is to give you a ready-to-go setup without needing to write scripts or prompts from scratch. These starter agents are designed to strike the right balance between warmth, clarity, and brevity, and they'll cover the most common kinds of feedback your business receives. When you see the confirmation prompt, click Proceed. This simply confirms that you want the system to build those agents for you. It usually takes just a moment, and there's nothing else you need to prepare. Once confirmed, the AI is ready to work in the background. From here on out, you'll have an agent responding whenever a new review comes in. As new Google reviews appear in your reputation feed, the AI drafts and posts replies based on the default configuration. You can always come back to this same Reviews AI area to adjust tone preferences, add brand guidelines, or set up internal processes like team notifications for critical feedback. If you prefer more control, you can switch to an approval-first approach and publish replies manually after a quick review. And remember, AI replies should reflect your business voice. Keep them courteous, avoid sensitive details, and, for negative reviews, focus on acknowledging concerns and inviting the customer to continue the conversation privately. That's it. Your AI auto-replies are now live. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the time you'll save while keeping your reviews timely and professional.